Verb sira means close. Sira, close. Past tense. Ni sira, closed. Ni sira siya sa pultahan. He or she closed the door. Ni sira siya sa pultahan. He or she closed the door. Ni sira, closed. Siya, he or she. Sa is the. Pultahan, door. Nisira siya sa pultahan. He or she closed the door. Present tense. Nagsira, closing. Nagsira pako sa tindahan. Nagsira pako sa tindahan. I'm still closing the store. Nagsira, closing. Pa, still. Ko, I. Sa is the. Tindahan, store. Nagsira ako sa tindahan. I'm still closing the store. Future tense. Musira, will close. Musira ko sa balay. Musira ko sa balay. I will close the house. Musira, will close. Ko, I. Sa is the. Balay, house. Some locals will just say bay. It's a short form of the word balay. Let's review. Past tense, nisira, closed. Present, nagsira, closing. Future, musira, will close. Next verb, dawat, means to receive or to accept. Dawat. Past tense, ni dawat, accept or receive. Basically accepted. Ni dawat, accepted. Nidawat ko sa iyang regalo. Nidawat ko sa iyang regalo. I accepted his or her gift. Nidawat, accepted. Ko ay sa is, we use sa here because there is a receiver. And then you have an object. So, to receive what? Sa iyang regalo. His, her, iyang. Regalo is gift. Nidawat ko sa iyang regalo. I accepted his or her gift. Next, present tense. Nagdawat, accepting. Nagdawat, accepting. Nagdawat ko sa mga bayad. Nagdawat ko sa mga bayad. I'm accepting payments. Nagdawat, accepting. Ko is I. Sa is what are you receiving? You use sa. Mga bayad. Payments. Bayad means payments or payment. Mga bayad, payments. Future, mudawat, will accept. Mudawat mo og credit card? Mudawat mo og credit card? Do you accept credit card? Mudawat, in this example, it means do accept. Mo is you. In this, mo means you all. Okay? She is referring to the establishment. Og, credit card. So there is an object here. You will use og. Let's have a quick review. Past tense, nidawat, accepted. Present, nagdawat, accepting. Future, mudawat, will accept. Next verb, hapak, hit, hapak, hit. Past tense, nihapak, hit. Nihapak ka sa imong manghod? Nihapak ka sa imong manghod? Did you hit your younger sibling? Nihapak, did hit. Ka is you. Imong is your. Manghod, younger sibling. So you use sa here. Okay, because your verb, your action is going towards someone. Nihapak ka sa imong manghod? Did you hit your younger sibling? Next one. Present. Naghapak. Hit. Naghapak ko sa mga lamok. I'm hitting the mosquitoes. Naghapak ko sa mga lamok. I'm hitting the mosquitoes. Naghapak, hitting. Ko is I. Sa, here is the. Mga lamok, mosquitoes. Lamok means mosquito. Mga lamok, mosquitoes. Naghapak ko sa mga lamok. I'm hitting the mosquitoes. Next one, future tense. Muhapak. Will hit. Will hit, muhapak. Muhapak ko sa sinina gamit ang palo-palo. Muhapak ko sa sinina gamit ang palo-palo. I will hit the dress or clothes using a laundry batlet. Muhapak ko sa sinina gamit ang palo-palo. Muhapak will hit. Ko is I. Sa is the. Sinina is dress or clothes. Gamit, using. Ang. So you use ang here because you're referring to a specific thing. Palo-palo means laundry batlet. Okay, palo-palo, laundry batlet. This is very common in the provinces. So we use this a lot when we stayed in our provincial house, provincial area. So here in the city, there are still some households who are using palo-palo. Next, let's have a quick review. Nihapak, hit, naghapak, hit, muhapak, will hit. Next verb, puyo, leave, puyo, leave. Past tense, nipuyo, lived. Nipuyo, lived. Nipuyo mi sa Cebu sa una. Nipuyo mi sa Cebu sa una. We lived in Cebu before. We lived in Cebu before. Nipuyo mi sa Cebu sa una. Nipuyo, lived. Mi is a short form of kami, which means we or us. Sa, preposition sa, in, on, at. And then sa una, it means before. When you say una, that means first. Okay, first. Sa una, before. Una means first. When you say sa una, it means before. Okay? Nipuyo mi sa Cebu sa una. We lived in Cebu before. Next tense. Present tense. Nagpuyo, living. Nagpuyo, living. Just a quick reminder, some Cebuanos will just shortcut this. Nag, sometimes we just say ga. Okay? Nagpuyo mi or gapuyo mi sa Cebu. Nagpuyo mi sa Cebu. We are living in Cebu. Nagpuyo, living. Mi is we, sa is in. Okay? Nagpuyo mi sa Cebu. We are living in Cebu. Next one, future tense. Mo puyo, will live. Mopuyo ko sa ilang balay. I will live in their house. I will live in their house. Mopuyo ko sa ilang balay. Mopuyo, will live. Ko is I. Sa, in. Ilang is there. Balay or bay means house. Quick review. Past tense. Nipuyo, lived. Present, nagpuyo, living. Future, mopuyo, will live. If you want to learn more, mga Higala, head over to Cebuano101.com. Go to Courses tab, look for Verb Conjugation course. And once you're inside, look for 100 verbs in simple tense. It's just at the upper part of the course, so it's so easy to look for it. You can enjoy quizzes, multiple choice, tense quizzes, and sentence builder quiz, mga Higala. So you can arrange words there and check your answer if you got it right. So if you're interested with that, head over to my website. I have a 5-day free trial that you can enjoy all lessons on my website and see it for yourself, mga Higala, if it's what you're looking for. And if you decide that it is what you want, all you need to do is subscribe to the monthly or the annual plan. These are my books available on any Amazon marketplace. If you like this lesson, mga Higala, let me know by clicking the like button. I'm Pink Kanunay, and see you on the next video. Bye!